Hello, welcome to the Healthcare Data Analytics. This is our advanced analytics course where you will learn about healthcare data and how healthcare data analytics can provide you a better job opportunity in the market. If you are interested about how to know that how the biological data or the healthcare data are mined, how it is get analyzed, how we are working with the precision medicine development, then this is the course for you. You can be a graduate from biology, you can be a graduate from computer science, and if you have a knack for that particular healthcare data analytics, you want to find out the pattern between the data, then this is the right course for you. If you want to know that how the courses work, you can see here that recently the big companies are approaching the different parts of the India, and they're providing a lot of money, they're investing a lot of money in different parts of the healthcare analytics. And when these kind of big companies are providing infrastructure, they are building a very big infrastructure. That means they are also opening up for a very big manpower or the current manpower source. So if you want to be a part of that particular manpower, the skilled manpower, then we are providing you the best opportunity to learn the advancement of the healthcare data analytics. Here you will learn that how the genomics data is related to different types of disease different types of disease analytics, how you can figure out that how the cancer data, how you find out that what all the variations are related to a particular type of disease, how to prioritize the genes information, how to talk about a particular type of treatment, from where we are getting a complex data, what is the different types of healthcare data formats are present over there, and many more. So first thing what we are looking at you, that if you are very interested in data analytics, because healthcare is a data analytics science. So if you want to make some graph, something like that, if you are a researcher where you want to trying to figure out that how the different types of exons having a different kind of expression patterns, you can come over here and you can check with us. If you want to know that how cluster of protein which is expressing in your cancer data in a network, how it is working and how it is clustering in the different groups and what that mean to your particular research, that maybe can give you a very insight about your cancer or about different types of complex genetic disease which you are working on and how you are working on. So we can give you a backbone of any type of this type of research understanding and how this type of analytics can work in real life data. So once you are joining this data science course, you will be learning the basic data science, that is including the what is the type of data are there, how to manipulate this kind of data, what all the problems are coming in that data, how to modify the raw data and how to get a clean data from the raw data, introduction to different types of healthcare data, what all the standard analytic techniques you have, how to get different types of databases, what is the standard norms and rules, regulation and the standard terms are used in the healthcare data. For example, who have ICD codes. So what is this ICD codes? What does it mean? We will let you know how to utilize it for data care or the healthcare science. We will let you know how the RNA-seq will be work for the complex diseases. We have the solution for that. So if you are interested for all this type of course, or you want to make your career advancement in this kind of course, then please join with us. Thank you.